Hi guys, how you all doing today? Welcome to Mama J cooking channel. Yes, today's recipe is going to be goated soup along with cow skin. So here I have my cow skin here in some vinegar water and the goated. So I'm just gonna thoroughly wash them and get them on the stove. So over here I have all my ingredients that is going to go into the pot. So first thing, I'm going to put in my garlic, my pimento, and my ginger, and a little salt and a little bit of complete seasoning. That's what I'm going to start it with. So I have all these ingredients. I have okra, pepper, thyme, scallion, yam, 2 green banana. I'm going to use 2 corn. I have 2 noodle here. I have my flour, a little bit of cornmeal going to be into it. And I have all my carrots, Irish potato. I have my turnip, and I have my chocho, and I have my cocoa. So this is what I'm going to put into it. So I'm going to just wash the meat right now. Yes guys, they're all chopped up already. So I'm going to wash them 3 times. Yes guys, you want to wash our meat properly. As you know, these meat go and all kind of ants. So we just want to do it very clean as possible. Very clean as possible we can. There's so many germs going around, so we have to know what we put in at our mouth. So I'm gonna drain it very properly. And then now I'm going over to my cow skin. Yes guys, I was soaking it until it become white and pretty. You see? Same amount of washing for this cow skin. I'm gonna wash it 3 times. So yes guys, all clean. So this is it, guys. So I'm just gonna fetch some water and put it on the stove. So I'm gonna put my pimento, my garlic, and my ginger into it. Pimento, garlic, ginger. So yes, guys, I'm gonna use this amount of water just above it, and then I'm gonna put my complete seasoning into it. And I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You know, later on we can always add it if we need it. So guys, I'm going over the stove, so I will be right back, so stay tuned. So guys, I am over by the stove, so I'm gonna set this here for like 20 minutes in the pressure and check it back to see how far it is to cook. And then here is the other pot that is going to put in all the food kind. So I'm just setting it on to go along to peel the food until this goat head gets ready and the cow skin. So guys, so stay tuned, I will be right back. Hi guys, here I am back cutting up my turnip. So I'm gonna cut up all these in the dish to put it on the next pot. So I'm just preparing all these when the curry goat and the cow skin cook. So I have these in the pot already prepared. So reason being, I don't have to sit and wait until the meat is cooked. I just continue to keep cutting up. So yes guys, I will be right back when I finish out of this. I know I want to sit and wait until I do all these cuttings and hear this noise. So stay tuned guys. Hey guys, here I am back to check my mutton and my cow skin. So everything is completely cooked. My mutton cooked properly and the cow skin, everything cooked properly guys. See, once the fork cut it, so you know it's cooked properly soft. That's the cow skin. And here goes the mutton. Everything is properly cooked. Everything just soft. Soft guys. The fork kind of hard to cut it, but I know it's well cooked guys. So now I'm going to transfer over my goat head over this part and trying to get these over that I cut up, all these guys. And I have my flour. I need my flour here, and I cut up my yam. I need to get into the hot water right now. bunch of food, guys. Yes, guys. I'll wash these in a little bit. Now, guys, a lot of food here. Oh, you can see it. So now I'm going to put my mutton into it. So now I'm gonna transfer stove. Yes, guys, so this is my authentic Jamaican goat head soup. Got a little cow skin into it. Yeah, you know we need that cow skin in all the limbs. Cow skin is very good for your joints. Yes. Cow skin put back all those gum back into the joints. So yes, guys, so I'm going to put dumpling into it so they all can cook together. So guys, so this is how I need my dumpling. I'm gonna put little spinners too. I'm gonna put a little round one and I'm gonna do some spinners. So I'm not gonna make them too big. Just gonna make them at a little medium size. Yes, guys. So when I know this food cooking halfway along, about half an hour, then I put in my scallion, thyme, pepper, my noodles, and 10 minutes before it finished, and I put in my okra. Yes, guys. So now I'm gonna do a little spinners. See, guys. So guys, how you get to have the little tail part here. So when you're rolling the dumpling, so right here, the top part and the bottom, give the two ends that little pointed part. So that's how you get it, with that little point. So guys, I'm gonna finish put these dumplings in the pot. So just stay tuned. I will be right back. Okay guys, here I am back, checking on my pot. So now I'm gonna put in all my herbs and my okra. My scallion, my thyme, and my noodles, chicken noodles. 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. I have 2 pack of noodles. Yes guys, looking good and smelling good and tasting good. Every season though into it yet, and it have that nice taste to it. So I'm gonna put a little butter into it also. And my little black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. And my all-purpose. So yes guys, I'm just stirring up everything. As the flavor can marinate all over in the pot. I'm gonna taste it again to see where I'm at. I'm gonna taste it twice because the season don't cook in it as yet. So far so good. So I'm gonna let this cook for like 15 minutes and check back on it, and then we see where we at. So stay tuned guys. So guys, I am back again to taste it one more time. So I'm just gonna stir it up and give it another taste. Smelling real good guys. Call that goat head and cow skin. Yes guys, I'm gonna taste it and see what level we are at. So yes guys, I think you just need a little bit more, like a 1/4 teaspoon more salt, and that's it. Yes guys, got that richness. So guys, bear in mind this is not a pumpkin soup, this is a goat head soup. So I wanted to have that goat head color, that authentic Jamaican goat head soup. That's how I want it to look. So I did not use any pumpkin into it. So yes guys, so here I have my teaspoon. So now I'm gonna mix up this. So guys, I'm just gonna let this on the stove for another like 5 minutes, and then I will return with my finishing product. Okay guys, so just stay tuned. So guys, here I am back with my finishing product. The this is my goat soup and my cow skin. So yes guys, this is it. Looking lovely, tasting lovely, rich, flavory. Yes guys, so you can try it and tell me about it, and just drop some comment and let me know what you guys would like to see me cook, and share, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend about Mama J cooking channel. Okay, so yes guys, just enjoy looking at the meal. Just imagine the taste. Look at how it's rich. See the goat head, the cow skin. Yes guys, so thank you for watching and have a nice day. God be with you all. So guys, I'm just gonna bless this food. Father God, I thank you for this meal. I thank you for the blessing. I thank you for what you've provided. Thank you for what you have done and what you're about to give unto me. Father God, let this meal be a substance to my body. Father God, as I about to taste this meal from my audience, give it thanks in Jesus' name. Amen. So yes guys, we're just gonna jump into this soup now. Guys, you have to try this. You have to try this, guys. You have to try this. Yes, guys. It is the spot. Thank you for watching.